Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can add black bars to your videos in Davinci Resolve. Now you can do this for a multitude of reasons, but for the most part, it basically gives your video a more cinematic look, and you can do this quite easily on Davinci Resolve. And the best part about this is that it works for any resolution video that you have, any aspect ratio, it doesn't matter. You can easily add black bars using this simple setting that you can toggle just by clicking on timeline. You can scroll down, click on output blanking and select any of these metrics right here. If you select 1.33, it will add black bars on the left and right. You can quickly go ahead and click on timeline, scroll down, output blanking, click on reset, and it will go back to normal. Now if you want to add black bars on the top and bottom of the video, click on timeline, go back to output blanking and select 2.39, and you will see that it has now added black bars to the video and it is giving it a more cinematic look. And it also renders the black bars in the final video as well, so you get the overall idea. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can easily add black bars to your videos in Davinci Resolve. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.